Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be discussing my new Teddy Blake handbag, so stay tuned.
Sometimes I get a little greenish shade of jealousy.
So we're going to start out on Teddy Blake's website, and I really like how their website is designed. As you can see, they have bags going through as a preview at the top. And as you scroll down, they're going to show you their top trending bags. So we're going to go up to the top and I'm going to show you all of the different bag types that they have. So as you can see, they have multiple different types of bags, totes, handbags, satchels, crossbodies. But we're going to click on the Ava. The Ava was sent to me from Teddy Blake. When you go on there, you're going to see that they have a lot of colors. I really enjoy going through all of the colors, and you can pick a type of leather. But we're going to scroll over and we're going to go down. And as you can see, they have different colors, different sizes. They have the 6-inch, the 9-inch, and the 11-inch. I have the 9-inch, and you can see that they have silver and gold embellishments on their bags. And sometimes when you hover over some of the bags, you're going to see different models modeling the bags. As you go through all of the bags, I really enjoy the dream designs of them. So with the team of designers that pitch the well-known luxury brands, Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style choice. And when I say they have a lot of style choices, they have a lot of style choices. They have premium Italian leather, so you can enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather. Now that we spent a little bit of time on their website and I've shown you some of their bags, so I already took my purse out of the bag and set it up the way that I like to carry my purse. So I'm just going to go over some of the specific details of it and what I like about the bag. I have the Ava 9-inch in red with gold embellishments. This is the bag without the straps or any of the extra embellishments that came with the purse. They have their name, Teddy Blake, on the front of the handbag as well as the back. One thing to note when you're able to identify a luxury bag is that it's going to have those little feet on the bottom. That's what I call them. But it's basically going to have tabs on the bottom. So when you sit the purse on a surface, the actual purse does not touch the surface. So it protects the bottom of the handbag. I really like the firm handle on the top. So it's going to keep its shape. We are going to go ahead and open up the purse. This purse has latches and a button on it. The closure is magnetic as well. I'm going to take the strap out of there. There is a zippered pocket in there as well as a card slot as well. So I'm going to talk about the strap that came with the bag and the extra embellishment. So as you can see, this is a lock and key, and this is an actual lock, and it comes with 2 keys that you can style on the bag. And then this is the strap, and it came on the very last hook, but I ended up closing it and shortening it a little bit just so it can hit on my hip the way that I like. So I'm going to pop a picture right here so you can see how it hits my waist, and that's how I like to wear my bags with straps. This is what the bag looks like after I've already added the embellishment, and then this is what the bag looks like with the strap. So as you can tell, you can easily snap the strap on and off the bag. This is how I actually like to carry my bag if I'm not wearing it over my shoulder as a crossbody, if I'm just holding it as a top handle.
In truth, it's how I know that you're the one for me. And when you see,
I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to use my code TB CourtTooFly20 to save $20 off on your new Teddy Blake handbag, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.
the beautiful mess we make. I don't wanna paint by numbers. That just ain't the way I want.